What if I told you that you could start earning money online without creating your own product, without handling customers, and without spending a lot of money to get started? Sounds like a scam, right? That's exactly what most people think when they first hear about affiliate marketing. But here's the truth: affiliate marketing is a real business model that thousands of people use every day to earn income online. Now, I am not saying it's easy, and I am definitely not saying you will get rich overnight. If someone told you that, they are trying to sell you a dream. But if you are willing to learn, stay consistent, and build things step by step, affiliate marketing can become a powerful source of income. In this video, I'm going to explain everything in the simplest way possible. Even if you are never made money online before, by the end, you will understand what affiliate marketing actually is, how people earn money from it, how to get rich started step by step, and the mistakes you must avoid. So let's get started. Welcome to the channel. If you are interested in making money online, side hustles, or building financial freedom, you are in the right place. Before we jump in, just remember one thing: affiliate marketing is not about luck, it's about helping people solve problems and earning a commission in the process. Think of it as connecting people with useful products and getting rewarded for it. Simple idea, but powerful when done right. Now, let's break it down from the very beginning. What is affiliate marketing? Let me explain this in the easiest way possible. Imagine your friend asks you, "Hey, what headphones should I buy?" And you say, "I use this one, it's really good." Your friend buys it. Now imagine the company that made those headphones says, "Hey, thanks for sending us a customer. Here's a small commission." That's affiliate marketing. You recommend a product, someone buys it through your social media, and you earn money. You don't need to create the product. You don't need to store anything. You don't even need to talk to the customer. You just share helpful recommendations. That's it. Why companies pay you? Now you might be thinking, why would companies pay random people like me? Good question. Companies already spend a lot of money on ads on Google, YouTube, Instagram, and TV. But the problem is ads are risky. They may or may not bring sales. Affiliate marketing is different. Companies only pay when a sale actually happens. So instead of paying for attention, they pay for results. That's why they love affiliate marketing. And that's why beginners like you can also earn from it. Now, let's talk about getting started. The first step is choosing a niche. A niche simply means your topic or focus area. For example, fitness, technology, personal finance, gaming, education, travel. Now, here's the mistake beginners make. They try to do everything at once. One day they talk about tech, next day fitness, next day cooking. That confuses the audience. Instead, pick one topic. Why? Because when people know what your content is about, they start trusting you. And trust is everything in affiliate marketing. Next, you need affiliate programs. This is where you get your special links. There are many companies that offer affiliate programs, such as online shopping platforms, software companies, education platforms, digital tools. When you join one, they give you a link. Whenever someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. Simple. But here's an important tip: don't promote random products just because they pay high commissions. Promote products you can actually explain and trust. Because if people don't trust your recommendation, they won't click again. Now comes the most important part: content. This is where most beginners get stuck. But it's actually simple. You just need to answer questions people are already asking. For example, best budget smartphones in 2026, how to start investing as a beginner, top tools for video editing. You create videos, blog posts, or post on social media that help people make decisions. And inside that content, you naturally recommend products using your affiliate links. The key here is simple: don't sell, help. When people feel helped, they trust you. And when they trust you, they buy. Now, let's talk about mistakes that stop most people from earning. Mistake number one: thinking you will earn money fast. Affiliate marketing takes time. Mistake number two: promoting too many products. Focus on a few good ones. Mistake number three: not creating enough content. One video or post is not enough. Consistency matters. Mistake number four: copying others. You need your own voice and style. Let's be honest for a second. Most beginners don't fail because affiliate marketing doesn't work. They fail because they quit too early. At first, you may get zero views, zero clicks, and zero income. That's normal. But if you keep learning, improving, and posting consistently, things start changing slowly. One video brings views, one post brings clicks, and eventually those small results build up. That's how affiliate marketing really works. So let's quickly summarize. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending products online and earning a commission when people buy through your link. You don't need a product. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need a big investment. But you do need patience, consistency, and willingness to learn. Start small, pick a niche, create helpful content, and improve over time. Because the people who succeed in affiliate marketing are not the fastest, they are the most consistent. If you found this helpful, you can subscribe for more beginner friendly online earning strategies and tell me in the comments what niche are you planning to start with?